Hi guys, I'm Bridgette, and that's my dog Stella. We hope you're having a great day and hope you're finding a lot of fun activities to do on GCM at home. One of my favorite games to play when I was a kid was I Spy. Have you guys played that game before? I thought you might have. It's a really fun and easy way to keep entertained while also challenging the other people that are playing with you. So let's play a quick little game right now and see how good you are at the game. I spy with my little eyes something orange. Can you find something orange? Did you see my t-shirt? You are correct. Good job. So you guys are really good at this game. Awesome. Well, today I'm going to show you another way to play this game, and sometimes you can play it by yourself or you can play it with a friend. So we're going to create these fun, sensory I Spy bottles. And you can use a jar or a bottle, any type of thing that you have around your house. It's a simple, fun activity to do. Come on and join me. For your I Spy bottle, you'll need some type of jar or bottle that has a lid, an uncooked pasta, rice, or beans, lots of fun little trinkets to put inside so you can find them, and you might also want some glue to secure the lid on tightly. First, put all of your trinkets on the inside of your jar or bottle. Then, fill up the bottle about 2/3 of the way full with your uncooked pasta or rice. Shake it up a bit to make sure that the contents get mixed in there very well. And then you will fill up the container to the top, leaving a little bit of space. You can also use glue here to secure the lid on tightly to make sure that it doesn't open when you're playing and exploring. Great job, guys. You made your very own I Spy bottle today. You could jazz it up by putting colored rice or colored pasta inside, or maybe put some glitter in it to make it a little sparkly. You could also really challenge yourself and put the entire alphabet inside and then try to find every single letter. You could also make this into a fun little bingo activity where you put the names of the objects on the card, and then you check it off as you find them. But you just shake it up and look for fun items that you stored in there. Thanks to our friends at Card for giving us this great activity. If you're looking for other fun activities to do, you can check us out at glazermuseum.org/GCM at home. Bye, guys.